Today we have amidst us a leader in the field of strategy, consulting, AI and sales for business. Mr. Amit Gupta, Global Head, Data Strategy and AI, Mastercard Data and Services. I welcome you to BIMTECH, sir. My first question to you is, how is AI transforming decision making in the field of banking and payments?
Thank you very much for asking. In the new digital world, there's a confluence between data and dollars, and there's overall collaboration between technology and strategy. So if you look at the world of banking and payments, AI is disrupting the overall ecosystem, and that's why you would have seen great transformations happening. If you also understand the core objective, which is to help people across the life cycle management, which is consumers, and also to help businesses drive banking and financial services, it's important that we understand of how data and AI can play an important role. Faster acquisition, faster customer engagement, managing frauds as well as operations has been key problems over the last so many years in this world. What AI is able to do is we're able to better define the problems, able to predict better, and in a proactive manner able to solve. What has happened in the current age is the processing has become faster, the storage has become faster, and you have more complex and robust ways of managing risk. All this combined, AI has played a very interesting role, rather is disrupting the ecosystem, and the life has become smarter, faster, safer today.
I completely agree with you about cybersecurity issues that you have just talked about. But do you also agree that there are issues of ethics in AI?
Responsible use of AI and ethical use of AI is very important in the current world. And that's why when we talk about AI, at the end it is about having the right set of data. With responsible use of AI and responsible use of data, the first thing that we do is we need to collect the data based on consent and compliance. For example, when any entity asks for customers' data, everything has to be done as per your consent, because the data belongs to you. And that's why companies across the globe is looking for a responsible way of identifying this data, similarly responsible ways of using AI so that more insights can be generated from that data. Ethical use is important because today AI has the power to influence the world, and if it is not done in the right way, it may lead to a lot of challenges. And that's why our recommendation is to every corporate, every entity, use AI ethically, because it is our responsibility to manage everything in the positive manner.
Thank you. I wish to understand that times are changing. There are a lot of advancements happening, and sometimes we also hear that AI will take away your jobs. How do you keep your teams motivated and motivate them to adapt also to the changing times?
It's a very interesting question. The first thing that we say is people who will not embrace AI are more likely to get laid off versus people who have embraced AI, because today you can leverage AI to your advantage because it can act as an efficiency tool for you. For people, AI may offer great roles because AI can be used for execution, AI can be used for overall strategy, and AI can also be used to deploy various products and services across. So the way we motivate our team members is, one, to learn about the advancements in AI, because the world is changing very rapidly and people have to always be up the curve in terms of learning. The second thing is learning is important, but applications are even more important. So what we ask them is, can they think, brainstorm and innovate of what are the right applications which will impact the end entities, which can be businesses, which can be consumers. And once people start thinking, the businesses can then adapt and adopt those AI technologies for better solutions going forward. In this fast changing VUCA world, one thing which is constant is change, and that is what AI is bringing in. So the need for the hour is stay curious, stay humble, adapt technology, and move on. Thank you.
Thank you. My last question to you is that what are the most promising job roles that you think would be available in the next 5 years for the management graduates? And also, what skills do you think these graduates should possess to be to go with the flow, to be ready for the data and AI jobs?
Okay. In the world of AI, the three prominent roles which I believe will be very important for especially MBAs would be one on product management, the second will be on AI strategy, and third would be more focused towards AI and digital deployment. What's important for all three is that one should understand the world of technology. However, the core fundamentals of business is something which is crucial to excel and succeed in this area. So time management, critical thinking, structuring the problems in the right way, and ensuring that someone has strong storytelling is the key, because not always data gives you a right story which is relevant for the business. Data can give you insights, but it's the people who have to convert these insights into recommendations, which is important from a business lens. In the past, a lot of these data AI related things used to be support to drive the business strategy. But today, data and AI drives the business strategy. And because of this, people who understand this world will always be able to better understand the core problems and think of solutions which can be really transformative. Today the need is that we should develop our people, especially in the colleges, so that they have exposure, which is sometimes what they lack. They should have more awareness about what's happening across industries, especially in the world of AI, and should be able to apply these learnings, apply the fundamentals so as to solve the business problems, because not always these will come directly in front of you, and it will require focus, energies and effort to think in this direction.
Do you think gig economy, gig working culture is justified for the current graduates?
See, we have 1.5 billion.
In order to multitask.
No, absolutely. See, we have 1.5 billion people, and not all jobs can come under confined spaces of being, being organized. And that's why with so many startups coming in, now people are transforming their experiences in a way which was not done in the past. The gig economy is here to showcase and share so many different opportunities for people to do amazing things which a regular job may not be able to. And that's why I believe gig economy is here to stay. People should continue to learn and expand their skill sets so that they can stay relevant. Outside India, while people may do multiple jobs, in India we have restrictions. Right. People can do only one job. Right. Having said that, as people keep enhancing their skill sets, they can become great freelancers, they can become great entrepreneurs, can be part of gig economy. Some people can even create gig economy going forward. So
they can do projects, they can do consulting.
They can do everything over there. Rather, in the new age thing where people are becoming food bloggers, influencers, a lot of social network key players, I think gig economy workers, both in the organized and the unorganized sector, will play a big role in driving and defining the country's economy, which is set to grow to $10 trillion in the next 10 years.
Thank you so much. Stay humble, stay curious, adapt, and hone your skills, soft skills, work on your knowledge, and be ready for the AI industry.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being here, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.